Hi, I'm Chuck Hyde, the Academic Affairs Director of Student Senate. Me and a few of my fellow student senators are going to tell you a few things about midterms.
Down. Feel free to use our services at the Counseling Center in Lower Donnelly. You get 8 free sessions per semester, and they also have opportunities to help you with your career choice.
Hey guys, I'm Rachel Lanchek, and I'm a senior senator, and we're talking about the grading system you'll get at the end of the midterms. So we have the S, and that means you're satisfactory, and you probably have about an A to C range. Then you have marginal, which is basically a C, and then unsatisfactory, which you have below a C, and you should probably talk to your professor. Or if you have an X, it means you don't have an entry at all.
Hey y'all, I'm Zoe Collenberg and I'm one of your first year senators. We just wanted to let you know that Student Senate is going to be keeping the library open until 3 a.m. the week of midterms.
Hello, I'm Dr. Jennifer Dawson, Associate Dean of Student Affairs, and I'm really excited about this opportunity to talk to you a little bit about midterm grades. For M grades and U grades, the first thing you need to do is talk to your professor. This is really important. You need to go to office hours, you need to send your professors an email, you need to say, I saw my midterm grade, I want to step up my game and do better before it's too late. And there is time. We still have lots of time to find you a tutor. There's also study groups in a number of different areas that are already set up, and drop-in tutoring. If your problem is paper writing, the Writing Center is up and running, as you know, down in Lower Weggy. The Satellite Center is also available at night and on the weekends over in the library. So again, the more I think about it, the more opportunities I see for you to get some help. It's not too late.
Try not to pull any all-nighters. It might seem like a good idea at first, but in the end, you're going to want a good night's sleep to get the best test grade.
Exercise is also a great idea. Try going for a 15-minute walk with a friend to clear your head.
Make sure you're also eating really well. Make good choices and eat the right thing.
And although at 2 a.m., 2 cups of coffee might sound like a great idea, make sure you don't drink too much, because then you might not be able to concentrate on your test. And also, most importantly, just remember to try to relax. Midterms isn't the end of the world.